Welcome to Stoic Path, where we explore the timeless wisdom of ancient philosophy. Today we'll step into the life of one of history's greatest thinkers, Marcus Aurelius. He was more than an emperor. He was a philosopher who faced life's battles, both on the field and within, with unshakable resilience. Join us as we uncover his story and the powerful Stoic principles that guided him through hardship, from the throne to the battlefield. Let's begin this journey into the mind of a true Stoic king. Marcus was born in 121 AD, amidst the wealth and grandeur of Rome. But unlike other young nobles, he found himself drawn more to simplicity than to the opulence that surrounded him. Taught by some of Rome's finest tutors, he was a voracious learner, absorbing lessons from philosophers, orators, and statesmen. Yet even as a boy, he sensed that power, wealth, and fame could never bring him peace. At 17, Marcus encountered the philosopher Rusticus, the man who would introduce him to Stoic philosophy. Through Rusticus, Marcus learned that true wisdom lies not in avoiding hardship, but in facing it with resilience. Under Rusticus's guidance, he was encouraged to seek control not over others, but over his own mind, a concept that would anchor him for the rest of his life. When Marcus was called to the throne, it was not a path he had sought. In 161 AD, Emperor Antoninus Pius passed away, and Marcus, alongside his adoptive brother, Lucius Verus, was thrust into power. Unlike other rulers who reveled in their titles, Marcus approached the role as a solemn duty, a responsibility to serve rather than to rule. Just 5 years into his reign, Marcus faced his first major crisis, the Antonine Plague, a devastating epidemic that swept through the empire, killing millions. As the people around him perished, he was forced to grapple with the fragility of human life. He faced another challenge in the Parthian War, which drained Rome's resources. Yet despite the strain on his empire, Marcus remained unshaken, reminding himself and his people that only through adversity could one grow stronger. During these bleak times, he wrote what would later become the Meditations, a journal of his inner struggles and resolutions, filled with reminders to remain calm, patient, and just. As the Germanic tribes pressed on Rome's borders, Marcus led his legions north to protect his people. Despite being a philosopher, he did not shy from the duty of a soldier. He spent years away from Rome, fighting in unforgiving landscapes where snow and mud became his companions. Though burdened by the death and suffering he witnessed, he maintained his resolve. In those harsh foreign lands, Marcus found the time to write and reflect. He reminded himself that death was natural, that suffering was temporary, and that peace was within, regardless of the chaos outside. In his final years, Marcus understood that he would leave the world, just as every other man. His health was failing, and he knew the end was near. Yet he wrote about death without fear, seeing it as the return to nature, the cycle he had always embraced. He had lived a life striving to embody the Stoic ideals of virtue, wisdom, and humility, leaving behind not an empire of conquest, but a legacy of thought. Centuries have passed since the reign of Marcus Aurelius, but his teachings live on. He wrote not as a king to his subjects, but as a man to himself, reminding us all that we can face hardship without fear, remain calm amid chaos, and live with compassion toward all. His words echo through time, inviting each of us to look inward, to conquer ourselves, and to find peace in a turbulent world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life and teachings of Marcus Aurelius, the Philosopher-King. May his wisdom inspire you to face life's challenges with resilience, humility, and inner peace. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Stoic Path for more explorations into the wisdom of the Stoics. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, stay steadfast on your Stoic path.